My name is Jessica, and I work as a legal nurse consultant, and I have my mortgage and a home equity loan through Frist Heritage. My husband and I built a home in 2020 to 2021, and we originally had a mortgage through another local lending institution. We were looking to borrow some money out of the equity that we had in that house, and unfortunately we weren't able to do that at the other bank. So we actually contacted Frist Heritage, and we were able to move not only our mortgage over here with a better rate, but we were also able to secure the home equity loan that we were looking for. We built our house on some acreage, and we were looking to actually build a pole barn for my husband's business, and we were also looking to side the house that we had built. So we were able to use the money to complete both of those projects. My first impression of Frist Heritage was I was impressed with how easy it was to work with them. Right from the get-go, we worked directly with Val, and all of the roadblocks that we had hit with the other bank we had worked with previously weren't an issue at Frist Heritage. There was a pre-approval process that we went through, as well as like personal financial statements that we had to provide. My husband and I are both self-employed, so the pre-approval process is a little bit trickier than typical, but Val made it really easy, and the process was basically seamless. I think the whole process went pretty quickly. I was actually surprised. We had an appraisal done on the house, and between the time that we first contacted Frist Heritage and the appraiser came out, and the whole process was like wrapped up and ready to go. Didn't take long at all. I actually transferred some of my banking over here to Frist Heritage since I had the mortgage and the HELOC. So I had the typical things that went along with it. I had to set up an online banking account and figure out, transferring money to make the mortgage payment. And anytime that I had any questions, I would call right here to the branch, and everyone was super helpful and just made the transition really easy. So my questions were always answered pretty quickly. I think eventually we're gonna transfer more of our banking over here, but for the most part, I just have my own standalone account over here to help manage the mortgage payment. Frist Heritage is my credit union.